doing in the past. So please, let's code. Let's do this program. Right. So first we're going to define our variable. This time we're going to take a user input. So we're going to allow a user input and do a computation and display the result. Right. So first of all, I'm going to define the first variable is a daily hours. Yeah, daily hours. Then we're going to say, because we're taking a user input, we're going to say daily hours is equal to input. So we're taking a input from the user, basically. That's what this function does. All right, and then we're going to add a single quote. Say enter daily hours. All right. Okay. Now we're going to add days of the week. Okay. Days of the week. Then we're going to say we're going to input say how many days. How many days a week? Okay. All right. There's a question mark there. Right. We're going to here at the top, we're going to define our rate. So a weekly or a hourly rate. So it's an hourly. This is hourly rate. We say it's equal to 8.75. That's hourly rate. Okay. And then let's add a comment here. So we're going to doing some computation here. So we're going to add a variable. We call this variable total hour per week. Yeah, total hours per week. Then we said the variable total hours per week is equal. So we want to have as a float. Okay, is equal to. So we can copy this. Our daily hours times open and close a bracket times this. So we're going to calculate our total hours first. So to find out how many hours an employee has worked a week before getting the pay. And then here we add as an int, say this is going to be an integer. And then here we have a float, so we can have the a balance there. All right. Here we're going to do another computation. Here we're saying payDay is equal to float again. Open and close bracket. Copy the total hours. Add it there. And here we're going to times int bracket close times our hourly rate. Yeah, let's just say hourly rate. And there. So times this. So that will be our payday. Right. And here we're just going to print out. Going to print. Let's print out. This can be leave it there. Let's say there's a space. Then we're going to print out the result. Here, I'm going to say this is going to be our hourly rate. So no, hours a day. So how many hours have been worked today? So hours a days. We're going to hours a day there. Right, then we say so daily hours there. So copy daily hours and drop it there. Okay, so this will be in our daily hours. Okay, let's go print again there. Open and close bracket. The next one will be our hours a week. So yeah, to find out hours that has been worked in a week. So hours a week, and that is going to equal the total hours there. Total hours a week. Copy and drop it there. All right. Then the third one is going to be our hourly rate. Okay, so print. Okay, hourly rate. Hourly rate. Okay, you can see there. We're going to get our hourly rate there, and there. Put it there. Okay, and the last one is going to be we don't have the last one, so let's just add it a little bit here. Let's add the currency there. Let's say car is equal to let's call this symbol, so it's going to be a string. We'll call this symbol there. Let's add the symbol there. Yeah, let's just add it there. So the name currency. Right. Okay, so we have our currency there. Yeah. Okay, then I can add here let's add the last one now. Let's print. I'm going to add this payday. So let's add our currency. Let's copy the currency there, put it there. Yeah, remove the quote. I'm going to add this pay. It's payday. I will say net pay. Yeah, and then there add a plus there. Concatenate, that's what it's called. Let's up them uppercase. So net pay a week. Yeah, that's net pay a week. That's it. Save that. Let's save this program. Save as. Okay, and then we say weekly pay.py. Don't forget the .py Python extension. Right, so we're done. So we're saying that The hourly rate is 8.75. Added the current symbols there. Is a pound. And then we have this user input. So we have the variables there, their daily hours, and we have days of the week input. And we do some computation here. Add everything together. Let's run this code. Right, it's asking us to count, to enter our daily hours. So I'm saying I'm working 10 hours a day. And how many days of the week? 5 days. All right. So based on this rate, hourly rate, so the weekly pay will be £400. Okay, let's do another different hours. So enter daily hours. So let's say 15 hours a day. How many days a week? 7 days a week. They say 850 net pay a week. Thank you so much. I hope this is useful to you. Have a good one.